Hello nail babes, welcome to Prep the Polish where we love press on nails, and today I'm doing a brand alert of Olive and June. I was at CVS and I found them, so I decided to do a review. The first thing I noticed that I really liked was their stickers. I love stickers for press-ons. You can buy a plain set and add stickers and just apply a thin coat of gel and they'll last for weeks. So it's a fun way to vamp your nails. Then they had a lot of prep materials like cuticle pusher. They had this nice nail brush. They had files and nail clippers, so that was really nice. So far, I really like everything they have. They have this interesting cuticle hydration set, which I've never seen before, but it was definitely something worth considering. They have acetone, adhesive, heel balm, glue. Of course, you need glue. If you're doing it with glue, you can do press-ons with gel. They have these cute little pots of nail polish remover, and then they had sets of their nail polishes. This section right here was my favorite section, the nail treatment section, because I always like to treat my nails after I remove my press-ons for a day or two. They had a lot of nail polishes. I really like this color. I like burnt oranges, so I definitely will be buying one of their polishes to do my toes. And of course, they have press-on nails. They had quite a few, and I thought that they were very nice. They were conservative. They were like kind of plain. I didn't see too many nails with designs. There was some, but overall, most of them were plain. But that's great if you're going to buy them and add stickers and your own gemstones. So they can definitely be something. They can definitely be a project. But overall, I really enjoyed the brand. If you guys use this brand, if you use their press-ons, let me know. It says that they last 14 days. My press-ons always last more than 14 days because of the way I prep them. So I do believe that if I were to wear their nails, it would last over 14 days. But let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments below and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.